In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to do the dolphin with the reverse motion. So make sure that you're sticking around till the end. And now let's quickly see how I'm doing with the music.
I think we just created something elite.
Alright guys, so hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Bra back at it again with another video. And let's quickly start off with the first step. So first thing first, as you guys might know, you just gotta show this fingers up. I mean not this one, you guys might have got the idea. So we'll be just doing like boom, no body, nothing. If you want to bend your body slightly down like this, you can do that. One, and then you just have to hit your hands like this. It's kind of like you're beating yourself with your hands. Alright, like boom. With that you have to take your left shoulder down like this. We're taking from this part and coming back. It will be happening at the same time like ha ha, but it will be happening fast like ha. Alright, like ha. I have seen a lot of friends, they are doing this thing when they'll get ditched by their girlfriend. So they'll be doing like ha ha, they'll be beating their head to the wall. But in this video we'll be just doing like ha ha. Alright, we have to beat over shoulder like ha. Make sure that your shoulder is also coming down, ha. Alright, so it's like boom, ha. As soon as you do that, you have to just check your shoes like this. Okay, nothing's down there. Make sure that you're balanced too, like this, and then turn your knee. I mean your knee should be coming up and then tap down. Alright, so 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Cool, super easy. We go 1, 2, ha ha, boom. It will be fast, ha ha ha, like that. I hope that makes sense. As soon as you do that, let's quickly go forward. Now the lyrics will go like pick up in something kind of that. I know I'm singing wrong, but I hope that you guys are getting the rhythm. So what you're gonna do on that will be just picking something up like this, and after that the lyrics will say B. On that you have to just open your left onto your toe. Make sure that your hip is also out a little bit. With that your hand will be coming up like this. Alright, so it's like 1. Then you have to just close it. Easy, right? Super easy. So it's like pick up B in a tap se, something kind of that. Alright, so it's like 1, 2, 3. And then as soon as you reach over here, you have to look up and down. And then as soon as you do that, you have to do the dolphin, as you guys might know. Let's quickly learn how to do it. But first, we'll try it from the top till here on the counts, and then we'll try it on the slow music. Let's do it. Goes 5, 6, 7 from the top. Boom, ha, whoop, whoop, ha. 1, 2, and 3, and. With this close, I mean with your right leg closed, you have to look up and down. Alright, both the things should be happening at the same time. Just note that. Alright, let's really try it on the slow music from the top. Let's do it.
I think we just created something.
Go. Perfect guys, I hope that you guys make sense till here. Let's quickly go forward with the dolphin step. What you're gonna do, basically we just looked up and down. As soon as you do that, you have to tap your right. It's kind of like you have to be a cat who is about to steal something from your fridge, and you just have to tap it like this and keep it down. Tap your toe, keep it down. I mean we're gonna tap our baby steps. Tap, tap, come forward, tap, come forward, something out of that. Cool. Basically we need to go only 2 steps forward. First right and then left. As soon as you keep your leg down, you have to take your hip out like ha, and then come back, ha, and come back, ha, and come back. If you have to get the dolphin stuff, you have to just keep this thing in mind. Just tap and hip out, tap and hip out. Alright, 2 times we did. On the third one we'll be having a lock. Cool. Now the question is what our body is doing while doing that. It's super easy guys, you might have done this a lot of times. You just have to take body wave like this from your chest, not from your head. And as we did, as soon as you tap your leg, you have to take your hip out, right? But with that you have to start taking your chest wave also, like 1. Our hip is going down, at the same time our chest is starting taking wave, like boom, come back, boom, come back, boom, come back, something kind of that. Makes sense? And your hands will be over here. Make sure that you're bending your body slightly down and do the same thing what we did just now, like boom, boom, something out of that. Alright, only 2 steps. Just keep your legs like a cat. Go forward, wave down, pelvic inside, down and inside. That's all. And as soon as you do that, we have to have a reverse thing. As you guys might know, let's quickly learn how to do that. So basically we did right, left, and from here you have to just tap your right leg. And as soon as you tap, you have to take your right leg back. It's kind of like you just got shock over here and you're just coming back like that. All right, just ha and come back. With that, your hands will be over here, right? You're doing dolphin, touch. While touching, your hands will go like away, look forward and come back. With that come back, your hands will be coming back and take one more wave over here. That's all. You got the reverse too. So it will be looking like 1, 2, ha and wave. It will be like ha and wave. You just have to have a spring motion, ha and wave again. Alright, as soon as you keep your right back, you just have to take the wave again. Cool? I hope that you got it. Let's quickly go forward. As soon as you do 1, 2, 3 and 4, what you gonna do from here? Just turn forward, show money, hit over here, and as soon as you hit, you just have to take some papers like this. With that, you have to open your left. Cool? So we did reverse, back, money, hit, paper and open. Cool? As soon as you do that, we're gonna just go like this. Alright, so it's like ha, go, ha, money, hit, tail. This will be happening on the beat and down. That's all. Let's quickly go forward. As soon as you do that, you have to go ha. Let's quickly learn how to do this. Basically, you just have to keep your hands straight and beat it over here. Make sure that your hands are taking ground and coming over here, and then same to the other side. With that, you have to tap your legs even like ha. It's super easy, guys. You just gotta pretend like you're a chimpanzee, something out of that. I hope that makes sense. So it's like ha, but I hope that you guys are getting it. So it's like we did chuck, boom, ha. That's all. As soon as you do that, you have to go like da 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 da. It's super easy, guys. This is super famous step of TikTok. You just have to tap your leg and you just have to shake your hips right and left, and your hands will be just going cross and down. And make sure that you're looking down. If you want to learn this step in detail, just click right over here. I have made a perfect video on it. So it goes like da 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 da. As soon as you do that, you have to close your left and you have to just pretend like you're holding something in your hand and just pull it like this. Cool? So it's like da 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 da. 1, 2. On 1 we'll be just keeping it, and on 2 we'll be going away. So it goes like we did hug, look, down, dolphin, ha, dolphin, money, hit, tear the paper, down, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and then 1, 2. Cool? Then we gotta go 1, 2. You guys might have done this step a lot of times because this is also a famous step of TikTok. Alright, so just boom. As soon as you do that, you have to just hit the wall. This type of wall is kind of different. If you want to hit the normal one, you can hit it, but this one goes like you need to pretend like something went onto your shoulder and you're just doing ha. You're telling the insect to go from here like ha. Alright, just hit your shoulder forward. With that, your left hand will be coming like this, ha, at the same time. That's all. And over here, you have learned your TikTok dance. Now let's try it from the top till the end on the slow music, and then we'll be increasing the speed. Let's do it. Come on.
I think we just created something neat.
Perfect, guys. You guys are killing it. Now let's quickly increase a little more speed and let's try. Let's do it. Come on.
I think we just created something neat.
Perfect, guys, and with that being said, if this TikTok tutorial helped you a little bit, just like this video because that will motivate me to make more videos just like this. And make sure that you're subscribing to this channel because I post every single day on this channel. And now let's really try it on the normal speed.
I think we just created something elite.